Peter Rabbit's Great Escape. Once upon a time, in a peaceful countryside, there lived a mischievous little rabbit named Peter. He was known for his curious nature and his tendency to wander off into forbidden places. Peter's mother constantly warned him about the dangers beyond their cozy burrow, but his adventurous spirit always got the best of him. One sunny morning, when Mrs. Rabbit was away, Peter couldn't resist the allure of Mr. McGregor's garden. He had heard tales of its lush vegetables and tantalizing fruits. Ignoring his mother's cautionary words, Peter hopped over to the garden with excitement in his eyes. As Peter explored the garden, he delighted in the abundance of carrots, radishes, and lettuces. He couldn't resist nibbling on the fresh greens, savoring their crispness. Lost in his own world of delicious delights, Peter failed to notice Mr. McGregor approaching. With a loud thud, Mr. McGregor's footsteps sent Peter into a panic. Realizing the danger, Peter dashed away as fast as his little legs could carry him. He zigzagged through rows of vegetables, leaped over fences, and squeezed through narrow gaps, narrowly escaping the clutches of the angry farmer. Exhausted but relieved, Peter returned to his burrow, where his worried siblings awaited his return. He recounted his adventure, admitting his foolishness in venturing into Mr. McGregor's garden. Peter's siblings listened intently, learning from his misadventure and vowing to stay away from forbidden places in the future. From that day on, Peter became a wiser and more cautious rabbit. He understood the importance of listening to his mother's advice and staying within the safety of their familiar surroundings. Though his adventurous spirit remained, Peter learned that some adventures were best enjoyed from a distance. And so, the tale of Peter Rabbit's Great Escape became a cautionary story passed down from generation to generation, reminding young rabbits to heed their parents' wisdom and appreciate the joys of their own humble abode.